Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a quick short clip of what we can fit in the Bayliner Element. I'll go through every compartment, show you what's in ours, and see how much it can hold. Okay, back on here, we'll start with the front compartments. First, let's take off the center. This is where I'm going to store my anchor and line. I use I don't know what poundage this is, but this is the anchor I use. It holds the boat very well, but as you can see, I try to clean it off, but water and mud does get in there. We talked about the compartments, how they're open, so I try to use these old junky extra life jackets to kind of pad in the area and collect any dirt if any does get in there. Okay, the first left front side compartment. Pull this off. I have tons of life jackets in it. We have my main good life jacket. We have the wife's life jacket. We have the daughter's life jacket. And then of course this orange one is the same one you saw with the anchor. Right side compartment, once again we have more life jackets. We have 4th of July Stars and Stripes. We have an extra orange one, and we have our throwable. As you can see, our orange one, that's up by the anchor again, but that is, I believe, it's like 7 or 8 life jackets, so it'll hold quite a bit. Middle section seats. In this one is where we keep buoys, dock line, which I'm going to do a separate video on because these are the best dock lines you can get. Extra dock line. We keep our air pump, and that's really it. So tons of room. That's all that's in there. Next, in this seat, this is where we keep all of our towing stuff. So we have ski ropes. We have our wakeboard rope. We have our ski flag. We have a tubing rope. We have our ski mirror, which I did another review on. Link will be below. We have our tube itself and a little green turtle that we can blow up. So that's what we keep in that one. Okay, this is the largest compartment. It's under the captain's chair and it goes back to the battery. We saw this in the 12-volt install, but basically in here I keep noodles. That's the light pole for the back. I keep a dry storage, which is velcroed down, and I keep tools and all kinds of stuff in here. We have our fire extinguisher. I have a jump pack I always take, you just never know, so I keep a portable jump pack. I have my spare oar, and I have a little fishing catch pole and some tools. So that's what I store in that one, and like I said, that one is the one that connects to the battery box in the back, so tons of room. The back right side is where your gas tank is going to be, so I do not store anything in there with it. The left side, which I have all my seats piled on, is the continuation where the battery is. So that's what I have in our Element. It fits everything we need. Hope you enjoyed this quick, short video of what we store, and we will see you on the next one.